Hello, my name is Harsharan. Now we'll learn about under and below. These are prepositions and can also be used in other forms. Both under and below mean something is lower or less than the other thing. They are similar in meaning but are different depending on the sense in which they are used. First, we'll talk about their uses and then about some common expressions with under and below. Use of under. Under is used when something is at a lower level than another thing and is covered by what is over it. Here, lower level means directly at a lower level. Examples: he placed his shoes under the table. Shoes are directly under the table and are covered by it. Another example: they were gossiping under a shady tree. We use under when something is at a lower level and in contact. Example: she kept her ring under the pillow. Here, ring is at a lower level and in contact with the pillow. While discussing about layers of something, under is used, like she is wearing a beautiful red sweater under the jacket. When we talk about to be guided or controlled by someone, we use under. Examples: he works under the administrator. They work out in gym under the guidance of a good trainer. To denote different conditions or law, we use under. For example, his father is under stress due to loss in the business. Here, under stress means in tension. Other condition can be under pressure. When we want to say according to law, we can use under the law, like under the law, the tax defaulters will be punished. We also use under to show continuation of a process. Examples: their house is under construction these days. His complaint in the police station is under investigation. Under can be used as a prefix to indicate less than the required level, like you are underage to participate in this competition. Never underestimate the skills of your kids. Under is used to indicate less in quantity, which is in numbers. It denotes less than or younger than. Examples: his salary is under 50,000 per month. The citizens under 18 are not eligible to vote in India. In the first sentence, under means less than, and in the second, it means younger than. Next is use of below. It is used for a much lower level than the other. That is, when the other thing is not directly over it. Example: there is a river flowing below the hills. Here, the river is at a much lower level and the hills are not directly over it. Another example: she was waiting for me below my house. Below is used to indicate a lower level on the same plane. For example, read the instructions given below carefully. His name was below mine in the merit list. In these sentences, the things are on the same plane. We also use below in measurements on vertical scale, like level of temperature or height. Examples: the temperature drops below 5 degrees in winters. Many land areas on earth are below sea level. Below is used to indicate less than the standard mark. For example, below average students need special attention. Government should help the people living below poverty line. Here, poverty line is a hypothetical line separating the poor from the rich. We also use below to represent the lower ranks. Examples: the employees below the rank of manager were not invited. Sailors below the rank of officers will get the reservation benefits in Navy. Here are some common expressions with under. Sailing under false colors means deceiving people. To be under microscope means close inspection. Hot under the collar means to be upset. Under no circumstances means never. Meaning of under the weather is unwell. Under a cloud, viewed with suspicion. Common expressions with below are a cut below. It means of lower quality. Below the radar means things remained unnoticed. Below the salt means socially inferior. Below par, not as good as required. Fall below, to drop to a lower level. The meaning of below the belt is unfair. Here's a recap of what's been discussed so far. You can remember these points easily. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and have learned how to use under and below. Do like and subscribe. I'll see you soon with a new lesson. Bye.